Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So today's video, and my name is Bidur, and today's video will be about how to do slime. So let's get started. So you will need a bowl, spoon, any color. I choose the green, and glitter, any type of glue, Persil or borax, and something you put in the slime when you finish. So let's get started. So now I will put the glue inside the bowl. So this is the glue, and now I will put the food coloring or painting, anything. So now I'll put the color. It's a little bit dark, so I will put a little bit so it doesn't come like dark green. So let's mix it. So I finished mixing it. Now I will show you. So this is the glue with the food coloring or painting. So now I will add some glitter. So now I will add white glitter or silver. This one. Or I do the green one. Okay, I will do the green. Now I will show you. Oh my god, so pretty. Now I will mix it and come back. So this is the slime with the glitter. And now I will add Persil. So let's go. So this is the Persil. And now I will add and mix. That's enough. Now I will mix. It's coming together. So I will come back when I finish the slime. So this is the slime after mixing it. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. So this is the slime. If you don't hear the pops, because I made it now, and this thing, so like that, you don't hear. Let me put it here and come back. So I put it here, and now let's hear. Oh my god, it farts. So now I will show you again. Did you hear the pox? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.